Here's the three biggest silent killers of dogs that everyday owners often overlook. You probably heard the warning signs about chocolate, maybe onions, but there's one common food that's far more dangerous and it often gets overlooked because it seems so harmless. It's a natural fruit, no artificial nonsense, and it's found in almost every lunchbox. Here's the problem: in dogs, it can cause a sudden acute kidney failure, not vomiting, not an upset tummy, full-blown kidney shutdown. And even scarier, we still don't know exactly why. And it's not about how many they eat either. Some dogs can be fine eating a handful, and others can have one or two and end up in critical care. So what is it? Grapes. And yes, that includes raisins and sultanas. And if your dog ever eats one, it's straight to the vets. No Googling, no waiting, just go. Now, you might think this one's all about scorching hot days and heat waves, but it's not actually about the number on the thermometer. It's about what your dog's used to. See, a dog living in Australia might handle 30 degrees just fine, while a dog here in the UK, where it pisses down 364 days of the year, might start overheating in just 15 or 20. And then you throw in the flat-faced breeds, your pugs, your Frenchies, your bulldogs, and they're already fighting for breath before they even leave the house. Once overheating kicks in, it's rapid, heavy panting, drooling, vomiting, and then eventual collapse. But by the time you realize something's wrong, it can already be too late. And the killer is, of course, heat stroke, a fast, brutal condition that catches more dogs and owners off guard than it should. Prevention is everything here: shady spots, shorter walks, cool down routines, and never pushing your dog because you think they'll be fine. The third on this list, this one's not as dramatic. No emergency vet trips, no sudden collapse. This one creeps in quietly over time, and most people don't even recognize it as a threat. It starts with a few extra treats, some scraps here and there, and maybe skipping a few walks. The dog seems happy, cute even, but under the surface, it's a time bomb because carrying too much weight isn't just hard on the joints, it fuels chronic inflammation, it causes hormonal chaos, damages organ function, and massively increases the risk of diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. That soft, chunky look that people joke about, it's not funny, it's fatal. And the killer we're talking about is obesity. More dogs die from this than most owners will ever realize. If you truly love your dog, keep them lean, feed them smart, move daily. It's the most loving thing you can do for your dog and their health long term. There you have it, 3 killers hiding in plain sight. One in your kitchen, one in your daily walk, and the one at the bottom of a treat jar. The good news, all 3 are totally preventable, but only if you know what to look for. If you found this video helpful and want to avoid more everyday common issues, whether it's to do with your dog's behavior, their diet, or just the type of games you play, make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out this video right here, which I promise will blow your mind.